Hi, so what we got here is the IKEA MALM platform bed, and this is a queen size version. So I'm going to show you the quality of the construction, and you can see here is the support beams, and they're kind of like ribs. They look like ribs. You can see they're bowed a little bit, so they do support the mattress really well. And to the side here, you can see is an important aspect of the installation. That's kind of like for stability and to join in the sides. You can see there's the side rail there, and in the support beams there's like 4 little support beams that really does the alignment and squaring of the bed itself. And zooming out, you can see the ribs to the headboard here are 4 of the stability supports. And also just to show you the thickness, this is pretty thick. It's like 1 1/4 inch thick headboard, and just more on the support. You can see the middle support beam there, so that's really strong. And again, this is a queen size, and so it took me about 4 hours to build. You can see there's another alignment for squaring away basically the bed, so you can see the 4 there that I'm pointing at. And so those square off the bed, so it's important to get those aligned so the bed doesn't creak at all. And it doesn't creak, since using this, it is very strong and stable, I would say. Now at the bottom here, there are 4 storage boxes. And the storage boxes, there's no rails. It's not attached to the bed. It's actually attached to it actually has 4 wheels, so 4 rubber wheels. So the wheels are rubber. They are basically floating and just roll on the floor. But the way it's designed, it's done pretty well. There is you could see that right there, there's the rubber wheels, and they just roll in. And this thing's very thick. The bottom is not flimsy, 1/4 inch. It's like 1/2 inch support, so it's like very sturdy at the bottom, which is very rare for these storage boxes. Usually the bottom panel where you store stuff is very thin. You can see when you close it, sometimes there will be some overlap with the adjacent storage box, but in reality, when it has stuff in it, it doesn't take much to roll it. Even if there's like a 1/8 inch give on the side, when you roll it in, it's actually fine. And that's the case for all 4 of the storage boxes. And let me just give you a look here. You can see how, even though before when I showed you it sort of knocked against the adjacent storage box, you kind of just push it slightly and it'll close. So it's not really that big of an issue. So just zoom out, give you another look. And those are the 4 storage boxes underneath, and those look pretty good. So here's the bed with a queen size mattress, and this mattress is the Slumber Solutions memory foam, and it's one of those compressed mattresses in a box. So this brand is kind of I believe it's from Overstock. It's an Overstock brand. So you could see this mattress is a 1 foot or 12 inch mattress, memory foam here. Just giving you another angle of the mattress with the MALM IKEA bed, platform bed here. Zooming in, you can see that's Slumber Solutions, and I'll have these links in the description area of the video.
Did you particularly read the one on?
But overall, I think it was a really good buy. The MALM IKEA bed was only $300, which is quite a deal for this type of quality. And you can see it's very slimline. To the sides, it doesn't take up too much space, and even in the front and back with the headboard, it doesn't take too much space. But that's really it. I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.